Jamie here from the Online Coder, and today we've got another tutorial, or I've got another tutorial. As you can see by the title, we're going to be doing an HTML tutorial, and it's going to be on tables and lists. If I have time, I'll go into lists. I'll probably be, I don't know, depends on time. Yeah. Okay, so, first of all, we're going to go into our little file here. I haven't removed anything, this is all from last episode. I don't really need any of this, just going to get confusing and in the way. Not confusing, but just it'll get in the way, and you'll be able to see more clear if there's space. Okay, so as I said just 10 seconds ago, we're going to be learning tables. Basically, tables are used obviously to display information on a website. I just cleared the website just so there's nothing on. We've got a title there, just to remind you. Yep. Okay, so how you start a table is you open the table tags. So open up table, and then close up table. Then you're also going to be wait, sorry, let me think. You're going to also need to open up TR, which I think stands for new line. I just know you need to do that. Not new line, but a row, basically. So we're gonna have one row, 2 rows, and we're gonna have 3 rows in this table. And then inside the top TRs, I'm just gonna put spaces between all of them just so you can see. Okay, in the top TR, we're going to open up a TH tag and also close off a TH tag. What TH tags are in a table is like the headers. And in most major browsers like Safari, Chrome, Internet Explorer, in the header for a table, it will usually make the text bold. Yeah, bold and centered, sorry. So that's what the TH is. Then there's also TD, which I'll get into in a sec, where you're actually putting content in. So I'll put the headers as the same name, shape, and I'll also do another TH tag, TH, and then close off TH, sorry. And then also, basically, this TH column will make this TH with the name shape in will make a column for all the shapes, or the you'll see. Sorry. So TH. So we're gonna have shape and we're gonna have color. Just 2 simple headers. This will make 2 columns on our table. So if we save, I'm not sure what will happen. As you can see there, shape and color. That just prints them there. So then we're gonna have some data underneath shape and color. So how we're going to do this is we are going to, instead of TH, under the next, in the next TR tags, we're going to type TD. And then close that off as well, just like TH, but instead of a header, this will just be normal content. So normal text, you can format it like I showed you last episode with font and close font. Same with header, you can use formatting. Okay, so we're going to do shape, so square. And then also, because this is a row, we've added the first column, like data for the first column. We also want to add data for the second column. So we're going to do another TD in the same TR, the same row. The color can be blue. And then if we save that and refresh, as you can see, it aligns in a thing. As you can see, it doesn't look that good because the headers are centered and the text is actually not centered, so it doesn't really look that good, but I'll show you how to fix that in a sec. Obviously you can just use center tags to center the stuff, but yeah. I am also using center tags just to center the whole table into the middle of the page, in case you're wondering. And then we're going to do exactly the same as we just did in the next TR line for, let's say, circle, and then we can do red. Well, it doesn't really make a difference, just for demonstration. So as you can see, we've got our header here, our header row. You can highlight that. We've got our first row, content row, which as you can see, is square and blue. And then our second content row, circle and red. Also, as you can see, the table does not really stand out that much. It really doesn't look that good either. So what we're going to do is in the open table tag, we're going to put a space and then type in border, equals, and then open up quotations at 1. Save. As you can see, it adds like a nice little border. Obviously, you can do a 5. I've never tried that before. And it creates a bigger border for you. And it kind of does look better because these aren't just like out of line really, really badly. So obviously you can add just more TR lines and have as many columns as you want, rows, sorry. And also you can have it reading off a database, off like a looped PHP database, which you'll learn how to do in the PHP tutorials coming soon. So what else is there? Let me think. Actually, I think that's pretty much it. Obviously, there are other things you can do like background color and color. And obviously, I just said the text formatting, so you can make this italic. And as you can see, that text is italic. So obviously, as I just said, the formatting works in tables. That's tables. I've gone over that pretty quickly. Sorry if we weren't able to catch up. It just really is a quick, easy topic. When I go over PHP and CSS, I'll go over more like complex ways of making them look nicer and yeah, so on. So also I want to show you guys lists. So I will be right back. Back now. I just need to open up my notes for the list section. So how you start a list? Oh, there's first of all 3 types of lists that I'm going to show you. The first type is unordered lists, ordered lists, and definition lists. And I will explain in detail when I get to those. Okay, so first of all, we've got an unordered list. An unordered list will basically print text on a page. It's like a table, really. So you have your header, and then you have your data, like on different rows. I'll start typing in a sec, don't worry. And an unordered list will just put all the data in bullet points under the header. Then there's also ordered list, as I just said, which will do the header, but then instead of bullet points, it'll make it numbered. And then there's also definition lists, which I'll get onto when I finish those 2. So first of all, how you start off an unordered list is you open up a... Oh shit, I just lost my mouse. You open up a UL tag, and then also close it off, obviously. And then, of course, you can add your title or header. That doesn't need to have any tags, so header here, you can obviously put it in bold, which I'll do. Just give me a second. Okay, let's save. As you can see, that's just normal text. So then in the UL tags, we're going to have li tags. Li tags. So just like a table, we're going to just add as many li tags as we want. Unlike the table though, you just add them in a list. You don't have to worry about adding new lines of td and tr and th and whatever. So data 1, I'm just going to do it just for demonstration. Data 2, data 3, I only need 3 just to demonstrate. Okay, so we save, and I don't know why it's come out like that. One sec, let me just take away the center tag's really messed up, just because if you're really doing this properly, you would have CSS like content areas, and then these bullet points would align properly. As you can see now, it all aligns properly. You've got your little header, and then you've also got your data underneath. What else is that? Oh yeah, I'm going to do ordered list now. The only difference between unordered and ordered is instead of UL, you put OL, sorry. I'm just looking back to my notes just to make sure I don't get it wrong. And they're shouting downstairs. Why are they shouting? Okay, so save. Okay, so as you can see, replaced by the bullet points are now numbers. So as I said, like 20 seconds ago, not 20 seconds ago, like 2 minutes ago, unordered lists will put bullet points and ordered lists will do 1, 2, 3. And then there's one more thing I want to show you, which is... So I'm going through this so fast, it really doesn't need to be explained in any more detail. I'm just trying to get over the basics as fast as I can. These aren't really basics, but you kind of need to know these. So how you start a definition list, which means, well, you'll see what it means. I can't explain it. So instead of OL, you're gonna start with DL, and then instead of LI, you're gonna have DT. Oh, no, wait, I'm just gonna start from the beginning. Okay, so in your DL tags, you're going to open up a DT tag. And then close off a DT tag. This will be your data, so data 1. And then obviously you can have more than that. You can have your data 2 and data 3. And I'll show you what this looks like at the moment. So we save and refresh. It just looks like a normal thing. No bullet points. You can add bullet points by however many means you want to. But that isn't the point of definition lists. Definition lists, what you can also do now is underneath your DT tag and your closed DT tag, you can open up a new tag called DD, or a DD tag. And you can also close that. And what this does is it basically indents under the data one. So in your DD tags, you can have this is some random text about data 1. And then obviously it works all the same, so you can have under data 2 and data 3. And also when I'm using definition lists, I also like to add, sorry my voice is being weird. Okay, add a dash and then space just to make it look nicer. So dash space, and then dash space. And then when we save this and refresh, as you can see, it's like indented, and there's no like extra spaces on this or anything. So that's how those tables and lists work. I'm sorry if this was a quick episode. I'm just wanted to get an episode out because I haven't for a long time because I've been really busy. Don't know if I've mentioned that at the beginning of the episode. I'm sorry if I'm like not speaking clearly. I'm just really tired. I really want to get an episode out because I haven't done one for ages. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Please like this video, please favourite this video and subscribe for a lot more. Also visit our website, link in the description below, for written tutorials and also other tutorials. And it's easier to navigate through all our videos than on YouTube. So thanks for watching and goodbye.